today we have all know that we have got topic about the whether internet are causing attention span or not to the students especially. I wouldn't say that it is only affecting a student; it is affecting everyone's life. Entire like if I talk about the human history, evolution of human history, it is very prevalent nowadays, and it is very new, and we don't know how to handle it. So if we think about like last 2 decades, like 20 years, we have gotten so much accustomed to this thing, and we all know that like how it is ruining our life, but we really don't know why we are using it. We are just using for the sake of entertainment most of the time. But if we talk about like social media things, it is just 1% of internet. 99% is internet is very different thing, but we only use 100% time in 1% thing. So that is very dangerous for us, and we really don't know what we are doing with the internet. So yes, we all know that how it is ruining, but we really don't understand why are we doing it. And so yeah, this is my opinion. It is a general opinion that it is ruining our life and attention span. So irrespective of the gender and time period, it is just reality. It is ruining. That's it. Thank you.
So hey, this is Rosni Roy from Avi Darbhanga. Today I am at Speakwell Kadrabad Darbhanga, and we are guys debating on the topic: is phone ruining the concentration of a student? So I am on the favor of yes. Yes, phone is ruining the concentration of the students. As I am also a student, and I'm currently preparing for the CLAT exam, and I had purchased the CLAT online batch. So I am experienced what I said. I'm experienced it. Like whenever the notification come, like I got distracted easily, and phone doesn't need the ring as well. If phone was on the silent and in the room, and I get easily distracted. So we all know that I'm not just saying, I'm not the against of the phone. Like we all know that phone are so useful for us. It's become so easy after the phone came in our life. Like it's help us in a lot of things. But it's about the student. Like it is like we all know, like we all are addicted of Instagram, Facebook, and many other apps. And the shorts and the Instagram reels nowadays are it is disturbing the students' concentration, their attention, and it's not only affecting the marks of the student, it's also affecting the concentration and all of it. So like we have to think about it, and we should use less phone. That's it.
Hello guys, it is MD Kadir Sohail from Savajpur Panchayat, and I have listened to everyone's point and they are absolutely stunning. Okay, first of all, I would like to put my point in front of everyone, and that from my perspective, phones, I think phones are not ruining the students' attendance attention, because phones is the best way to get the education through offline, and there are so many websites like artificial intelligence and chat gpt. We could get the education through offline. If you have doubt on, at any subject, okay sir, if you have doubt at any subject, you could ask the help for chat gpt, and they are gonna provide you like a so big list. So I think I would like to go with phone.
Good evening, everyone. This is Pappu, and today I am going to talk about what is the impact of mobile phone on the life of a student. So, these days, mobile phone has become an important part of everybody's life, not only student life. So, we are spending so much time on the mobile phone, on social media, and doing all uh, many things. So there is a good aspect and bad aspect also. When we are going to search something like solving any mathematical problem and any kinds of productive things, then social media and mobile phone help us a lot. But in the other way, if we are not aware of these things like productive things, we are just using social media and mobile phone for the entertainment. And mobile phone is a best tool for us. uh, Mobile phone is the best tool of the entertaining, these days. So many of us are just using mobile phone for their entertainment, like many comedy show and many crickets we all are watching. And during these activities like watching any show, we forgot about the time, forgot about the uh, forgot about our aim. So that's why we use lots of mobile phone doing like useless thing. So these badly impacts our life and the student lives. That's all. Thank you.
Phones are ruining the student attention. Phones can affect our concentration while we studying. One notification can block our attention. We pick up the phones, check one message, but suddenly we can scrolling social medias, watching videos, and a student often say if they will they will use phone just 5 minutes, but suddenly those 5 minutes become 1 hours. And and phone says and phone also connect who people be far from, but sometimes phones disconnect us from who people be sitting right beside us. And that's all.